So you have your ground wire, which is get the green one right here. Then the neutral, which is the white. Got it on. You see the white wire, that's the neutral. So I made sure to get it on there nice and tight around the bolt. You want to tighten it in the direction that you want to hook it in the direction that you're tightening the screw. So for the red one, which is the hot wire, see these screws, they come off. So I have one here. And I have my hook. So my screwdriver. Get that started in there. Thread it a little bit. Then I'm gonna hook it. So, let's bring your needle noses. Open this a little bit. Just a little bit. So I can hook it. Take my needle noses. Pinch it a little bit. Make sure close it. Right there. Screwdriver, screw it down. Pinch it a little bit more just to make sure. So it's on there good and tight. See? Okay, so next, now that you got them all on there, you're gonna take some tape, some electrical tape, and take it and wrap it around. I'm gonna go underneath where the screw is at. So you're gonna lay it flat here, get it around the side so you can cover the screws. Now the other screws that you don't use the hook, you're gonna screw them down. So for instance, this one we used, so this one right here, we just screw it down, close it, and then we're gonna wrap our electrical tape. Go in under the screw, go around a couple times. That. And push this back in. Side, now we got our screws to fit these holes up here. And we got these black tabs. They go behind the screw there. Screw it in. Line the hole. Screw up with the hole down here too. Screw this in just a little bit too. I'm gonna try to get it as straight as possible. You're screwing it in, so when you put the plate on, it's not all uneven. Try to make sure that it's straight. Get it to the, don't want to screw it in too far into the wall. It's pretty straight there. Gonna put the cover on. Screw right here. There you go. You're all done. Last thing to do is go turn all the power back on. So, come back over here to your breaker box. I'm going to turn everything back on. Here. And final test. Take our tester. Let's see. We got some juice. So, got our tester right here. So, light up. So, we got green at the bottom, 2 green on the top. See how nice and snug that fits? That's how the outlet should be. It shouldn't be all loose and everything. So we're good to go. And so that is how you would switch out an outlet. Please like and share this video and hit that subscribe button to follow.